Alright, so the inspection. Showed you the leak a minute ago. Now, I was gonna try to shove styrofoam in there. Ashley's fixing two of those leaks up there where the feet pegs go that let water pour in. I'm hoping those are the real culprit, but this was definitely a crack and I could see through it and blow through it. But so you gotta take your hook package and torch slider, melt it, and then plastic weld this back on there. So I got a good layer on there. We'll heat it up again. And smooth it out. I don't know. Let's see.